Hi guys, a very good morning to each one of you. This is your Uber driver once again with yet another video for you. And today I'm going to talk about respect at the work. And I'm really sorry yesterday I could not post this video because I was in a very bad dilemma. When I say very bad dilemma in regards to whether should I be posting it across or not, or how exactly people will react to it. But then I gave a second thought and I said no, let's post it. Let's have the reviews, comments, your inputs in regards to what I'm going to speak about in this video. So first of all, the fact about respect at work, what exactly it means. It means the place where we are working, or maybe it could be a private sector, government sector, or any sector, and maybe a driving like I'm doing right now. I'm a Uber driver, and there will be certain more drivers who are driving Ola or any other application they might be using. We all want that our respect, or you can say the self respect, the dignity should be maintained. I know there are certain instances where drivers have been so rude with the passengers, and that's really really bad. They should not have been. It's actually a worst experience that a passenger can get. But at the same time, has anybody read anywhere or has heard anywhere where passengers have treated the driver in the same way? No, you may not have. Reason being that drivers don't get into that and they don't post it anywhere, or they don't showcase what exactly they have gone through. So today I'm going to talk about that fact only. But before that, I want to ask each one of you, when we say we are at work, does it mean that we will only be respecting the people who are above us, not the beneath? Is that so? No. Even a junior in any organization, in any company, or anywhere you are working, they also deserve the respect which you deserve. And I'm sure you must be giving it. And there is no denying fact that there would be certain people who may not be doing it. At the same time, in our profession as well, there are people who meet us and they greet us so well, they treat us so well that we feel like a family member. They share so many things with that, they discuss with us. And I believe the reason they share with us or they discuss their certain aspects or their maybe internal thoughts with us, keeping in mind that we are the strangers, we probably never be going to meet again in the future, and we don't know them. We are not going to tell about them or the conversation that we have to any other or any of their people who know them. Similarly, we also share our feedbacks or maybe our inputs, our thoughts with them, and we share our family life, our professional life discussions with them, and they listen very carefully. They give us their inputs as well. But there are certain people who treat us like we are the slave or the servants for them, and I'll share some examples for both of them. I met a few people who had been so great in regards to conversation, in regards to giving respect, in regards to having discussion about what how exactly we are doing, how exactly we are able to earn, how much we are able to earn, and are we able to survive with that or not. So that's a good part, that we also feel yes, there is somebody who is concerned about us. And on the contrary, there are people who even speak to us or treat us in a very very bad way. I'll share the instance, or maybe the just the statements how exactly people speak to us. So a person books the ride, he calls up and says, तू कहाँ है, तू कितनी देर में आ रहा है, तेरे को इतनी देर क्यों लगेगी. Fine, I understand that you are in a hurry, but doesn't mean that I'll cross all the impossibilities and come to you in a faster way. No, I cannot. I cannot fly my cab. It will drive, it will run on the road the way it is. I cannot go and control the traffic. Another people who sit in the cab and then they start speaking to us in regards to like, चल एसी ऑन कर, पैसे मिलते हैं पूरे. अरे आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट आई विल नॉट स्विच ऑन द एसी. प्लीज सिट इन द कैब, एटलीस्ट सिट इन टू द कैब. There are people who know that 5 minutes in the beginning in the booking is free. So they take 5 minutes and they come at 4:50 when it's already like 4 minutes and 51 seconds, when they know after 9 seconds they will be charged the waiting time. There are people who pay us online, but there are people who pay us on cash. And I have been through with the incident where people throw the money on the seat and said, "Here is your money, take it up." Fine, we respect that, because we at the end of the day are working to earn that hard money. There are people who abuse us. There are people who abuse us inside the cab, outside the cab. In fact, there are people who are driving close to us and then stop and they abuse us for no reasons, because we are driving slow. We cannot go beyond our speed limit, and we have to, because it's a traffic rule. We have to obey. But at the same time, they say, if you have to drive so slow, drive in your house, don't drive outside. And they abuse it in such a way that I feel like, what wrong have I done? Nothing. At the same time, like I mentioned in the beginning, drivers also don't respect passengers, and that's really pathetic, I would say. Reason being that they should also be speaking to the passengers or to the riders the way they want, they should be speaking. If we don't respect the passenger, how exactly we can say we are the service providers? We actually are the service providers, man. We have to be respectful. Even if somebody abuses us, even if somebody throws the money at our face and says, "Here, use money," I respect that, because I'm the service provider. I cannot go beyond my limits and say, "Oh, you abused me, here it is." No, I cannot. I have to be respectful. I have to be calm, because it's a nature, it's a habit, it's a hobby. Could be people who are sitting and doing such stuff, maybe they have the habit of speaking like this only to people who are beneath them, or maybe people who they think are poorer. Fine, good enough, no issues. Because at the end of the day, what matters to me is the money I'm taking with me at my home to survive, or the survival of my family. So this is just to showcase how exactly the respect at the work mean to most of us. And I think why I'm making this video in English is because people at this time, or maybe at this stage, know or can communicate in English as well, and in a very good English, I would say, in a very good positive way. But at the same time, guys, it's a request to each one of you, please respect not just the profession I'm talking about, to each of the person who is working, because they are working for their survival. A job or a work, whether it's a businessman or whosoever is there, are working for the survivals, maybe so not for the survival of themselves, but for the survival of certain people who are working for them. I'll give you the example of that as well. There is an organization where we have 20,000 people who are working. There are 20,000 families who are getting survived. So it means that that businessman also deserves the respect. At the same time, the person who is sitting at the lowest position in the organization also deserve the same respect. So we should be respectful to each other, not just to showcasing that we are respectful outside or inside. No, it should be both ways. And at the same time, like drivers, they should also be giving the respect, and I think higher respect, because we are the service providers. So service providing industry requires more calmness, or you can say more patience. So I'll be giving that, I'll continue to do that, and I'm sure this is going to make some impact onto the professions that we all are into, and I'm sure we will start working around it. So I'll be waiting for your feedbacks, your inputs, your comments, how exactly we can improve it, or how exactly I can improve in regards to posting this video. If do you think the video is higher in regards to number of minutes, number of hours, but the point is that we should be talking about what we are exactly. So that's where it is. And again, I sincerely thank each one of you for watching this video and making this video a love to me, or maybe to each one of the person who is connected to me. So take care, stay healthy, stay safe. Jai Hind.